Hi, Stefan Swartling here.
Personally, I think it will crush Android totally on the tablet front, not on the phones yet, but I think many Windows users are also Android users now. But why should they use an Android phone when a Windows phone will work so much better together with their computer? Think about it. When all three device categories are launched and ready, you have a phone, you have a tablet, and you have a computer that can run the same apps, totally in sync. I mean, why should Windows users have an Android phone then? No reason at all. It's much better for a Windows user to have a Windows phone, because they can run the same apps totally in sync. Just exactly how Apple are doing it with OS X Mountain Lion and iOS. Exactly the same thing. That's the right thing to do. You build up an ecosystem and the users, the consumers, will only benefit for it because they will have better services, better app. I mean, I shouldn't choose anything else if I could have an app that runs on all my three different device categories: computer, phone and tablet. Of course I should choose that over having an Android phone, a Windows computer and maybe an iPad tablet from three different manufacturers. I mean, never. Of course the consumer, the user, will choose to have the devices from the same manufacturer running the same operating system and running the same apps. It's only natural. So I think that Microsoft are doing the right thing and is on to something big here. I think Apple will have a really great competition in Microsoft again. I'm sure of that. Android will not be into this. They will be outside this competition because Android is only big on phones, but I think that will go down because Windows users will shift to Windows phones instead of Android phones when all three device categories are launched and running the same operating system and apps and so on. Then Android will go down and Windows Phone will go up. So the Android tablet market will vanish. They will not exist anymore. They hardly exist already, so very small market. So that Android tablet market will go away. They will not exist. And the Android phones will not go away, I'm sure of that. They are so big, but they will go down. They will have less market share. I'm sure of that, really sure. Because Windows users are more to Android than iPhones. So the iPhone market share will not change so much because that's a different kind of user. iPhone users are often Mac users and have an iPad. So the users Microsoft will take is from the Android market, the Android side. That's what Microsoft will take users from, not from the Apple side. And this is what I think. It's my personal opinion, and we will see how it goes.